So now I've got my guest connected to my Zoom meeting, which is myself, from my cell phone. So I've got my webcam at the bottom and my cell phone pretending to be the guest coming in. I've also got this app called SparkoCam, which is really neat because it allows you to create a virtual webcam from the desktop, just recording, so it doesn't try and go for your webcam. It's the only one I could find like this. So you can define an area on your screen and zero in on your guest to make them just the area that you want to capture for another virtual webcam, which you can bring into OBS so that your guest can be broadcast out onto Twitch or Facebook or YouTube. There we go. So I'm zooming in on the exact area that I want, and there's a little preview screen that comes with SparkoCam and the effects that you can add. So you can, before you even get into OBS, you can add a border, which is down here, and you can of course make your own custom borders and stuff like that and add them. So just use this TV set as the border, and then you can add some animations too to make it look really interesting. So I've got Bugs Bunny here, and we'll put him on the bottom right of the guest feed into OBS. And then once we're done setting things up in Sparko, you can go to OBS and find our guest scene, and then add a new source to that. Which would be another video capture device. Except this time we're going to add, really should have called this the guest cam, I guess, instead of the SparkoCam. I had to put the phone down to do the typing. And now I can select the Sparko virtual webcam, which is recording that area of my screen. Now it's important to have a really big monitor with this, because anything that gets into that area of the screen will become the broadcast, or even have a separate monitor with the Sparko and the meeting and have one window for OBS. Now the guest can see what's happening in the meeting. So once we have the guest connected, we can transition to that scene, and the guest should be able to see himself